Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to request your data from Amazon. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to your account. The button's right here next to Returns and Orders. Simply click on it. Well, as you can see, there are lots of options available. But what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom, and right here in this section you can see something like Manage Your Data, and just below it there's Request Your Data as well. Simply click on it. Then from this section what you guys need to do is simply select the data category. I'm gonna click on this drop down button right here and select the category that I want. Once everything's okay, I'm simply gonna hit on Submit Request. And guys, that's it. As you can see, a confirmation link has been sent to the email address in order to verify our request. I'm gonna go to my email right now, and this right here is the email that I have received. I'm just gonna click on Confirm Data Request, and that's it guys. As you can see, Amazon has received and are processing our request to access our data. And once your data has been processed, you will receive an email from Amazon, and from there you can download the data you have requested. And guys, that's it. That's how you request your data from Amazon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.